Hey, Eric.
So far,
I just want you to know, excuse me, the bounty reward, they gave it to me.
I wasn't here to receive it, huh?
Yeah, well, you didn't bring me here.
I brought you to the county.
You brought me to courtside, but you didn't deliver the goods. But you were off on very important business, but nobody knows what that is.
Nobody knows.
No, not yet. It's okay. I got the reward. I got the
I'm
reward.
glad you got it, though. That's good.
Yeah.
Now.
What did you just say to her?
I offered to make her a ketone appropriate lunch.
Wow. So
Yes.
the pressure's off me, so I have help.
I'm good with the salad.
Oh, you are? Awesome. I'm going to have so much free time. With all your wonderful editing and shooting behind the scenes, I think that my viewers should just donate and hire you. Would you be open to being hired to be my RV Joey filmer and feeder? And if you feed Carolyn, look at her over there. She's so cute. I'm not shooting your bed because it's not ready, but I just want to...
You can shoot my bed, I just don't want you to shoot the inside of my van.
Oh, no.
Because it's a pigsty.
Now that you have a great big bed, are you going to stay out of mine? Because everyone knows. Well, not everyone. I have a lot of new subscribers that are like, was she in her bed? You just loved my bed.
Her bed was so awesome.
It was my couch bed.
It was her couch, yeah.
So you're not going to come jump in my bed, are you, anymore?
Well, it's not even there anymore, is it? Didn't you turn it into a...
I brought it back just... Oh. I thought aliens landed last night. I woke up in the middle of the night at 2 o'clock in the morning, and there's like... I thought there was an alien across from me.
What are you trying to say?
That you're...
What about me?
No, I'm the...
That I'm a green-headed alien?
No, I'm the
or
alien, remember?
Or an import alien, or...
You're just an alien. Those lights were so pretty. I'm glad you left them on all night.
You know, I totally forgot they were even on.
I know. They were pretty. Yeah, not so much.
Wait, hold on. And you're the only one that's not going to Yuma, right?
Nobody knows that yet. But
Hello.
I guess...
Bleep!
No. I'm not going to Yuma. There's no way. I mean, I made it here. I did what everyone asked, and that's it.
Oh, cool.
Because it's...
Well, we're only going to be... The RTR's, like, it's right around the corner, so...
It's 10 days, and then it's cut that in half. It takes me 5 days, and then I'll be lucky if I make it to the RTR in, what, the 10th, 11th? I don't know. I don't know. You and I and Carolyn will not even get to talk to each other during the RTR.
Oh, yeah, this is true.
Like, that's not for us. That's for other people.
Okay.
So after the RTR.
Right.
I'll see you after the RTR. Kelly? Excuse me?
Oh, no.
What's going on here?
No, I am not awake yet.
RV Kelly?
Jimmy did that. Jimmy did that. We're deciding.
Jimmy, are you funny?
No,
Wandering Kelly, Caravan Kelly,
I
Kelly
did
Monium.
that one.
I love.
I did this one.
This is it. This is the winner right here.
And
Signed.
we were just always making
Signed
fun.
Joey.
Okay. Oh,
Wait, I gotta
no.
get my RV Joey down.
Can't wash my car now.
Autograph.
RV Joey, yeah. RV Kelly. I love the sound of it. RV Jimmy, he's next.
See, I went from the Kush life.
I love the dress code here.
Oh, yeah, well, we went from
That it's even color coordinated. Yeah, that's nice, man.
Yeah.
I have a robe too, and I'm like, now I know I can wear it outside.
Oh, yeah.
It's pink.
I figure I'm 36 and broken and retired, so
So
you got a problem with it, that'd be all right.
This is what do you call it? The
Uniform?
not uniform.
smoking
What do you
jacket,
wear
the
to
lounging
weddings?
jacket.
What do you wear to weddings?
Tuxedo.
This is the tux. This is the
Tux
the
in the
desert
desert.
tux.
That's it.
The desert tux. Oh yeah.
He needs to go put his lightweight one
Yeah.
on that looks just like it, except it's thin cotton.
I have a thin. I have two robes.
Yeah, yeah,
one thick,
one
one
thin,
thin. Yeah,
Got
yeah.
it.
I got it.
Yeah.
I learned that
You got the
last year.
shoes that look like slippers.
I'm nobody. I was somebody till I got here. Then I found out I was nobody, and it's so fun. I'm back.
That's why most people are here.
Yeah, I'm a peasant now. I was a queen. I was a
You were a
princess,
princess.
then a queen, and now I'm just back to being a
You
peasant.
were an Eric proclaimed queen.
Right? No, yeah, I know.
You really weren't a queen.
I know. I made you a queen. He made me a queen. No one
Right.
voted on it. No
Yeah.
one. I didn't deserve it.
You're still royalty, though.
Yeah. And now,
Thank you.
And now I'm not queen or princess.
You're free.
I'm free.
I'm so jealous. It's beautiful. I wouldn't change a thing right now. Nothing. Everybody left. And I feel so relaxed. And like I got a good fix. And I got to spend time with Carolyn and Ausia and Terry. Well, Terry and Ausia were gone all day yesterday in Phoenix, so I didn't get to spend time with them yesterday. But a little bit last night, and then... no. That was the night before. I'm not really fully recovered. But I got here, and I'm so proud of myself. I really am. And I put things first that were needed to be put first, and that was my health and safety, and then to get here. So now the things that I put second, it's gonna take me a week, and I'm gonna love it. What a great place to get it together in Quartzsite. Well, actually not right in Quartzsite, but in Ehrenberg. And all my admin, and getting ready for the RTR, because it just occurred to me while I was having a little cheese and crackers that people might want to interview me or see my RV. Like, it just occurred to me. So I think I'll go rent some storage space from a friend and throw a whole bunch of stuff out so I can make room for people to come in or sit down. I don't know. I'm figuring it out as I go, but I want to prepare for things so that I'm available as much as I can for the people that have come there and want to tell me how much they've inspired me. I mean, that I've inspired them. Something like that. How we all inspire each other. I wish you could smell this. And this is the Colorado River. There's like 3 or 4 RVs here versus 40. I can hear the highway. It's not bad. It's so dull. Oh. I'm not jumpy. Tired. Took a nap. Not really a nap. A zone. Is that such a thing? I zoned out for a couple of 4 hours maybe? 4. Now I'm trying to wake up, have a cup of detox tea, or maybe Teddy's face. I wish you could see Teddy's face. My phone's jerking when I talk, huh? What if I put it down there? And then it won't move. Then you can't see the water. The water's much prettier. No wind, no bugs. My favorite things, some of you haven't seen that interview, what some of my favorite things about the desert was, is just having the door open. You can't do that in Michigan or in Texas. There's mosquitoes or ticks or people or, I don't know, just things to fight off or protect yourself from. And there's a certain time of year here that you can just have the door open. It's a concept of, it's something, it's one of the, it's a huge thing for me. Can you tell I'm getting all like excited? The connection between the outside and the inside. When you've been housebound, this connection is worth whatever. I don't have a saying. I'll let you finish it.